Hi everyone, this is Nitin Mirani, and I'm very honored to be one of the recipients for the WOW Awards this year. They've given me the Global Comedian Par Excellence Award, so thank you so much for that. And I must say that you have great choice. Being a comedian, I think one of the main topics that I like to touch is Indian parents and Desi parents. And I am going to share a small clip with you in which I'm talking about how Indian mothers love emotionally blackmailing their children. Well, I can already see a smile on all your faces. So here's a small clip about me talking about how cutely Indian mothers emotionally blackmail their children. So enjoy it, and I'll see you soon.
तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता.
Let's talk a little bit about. So, any Indian mothers in the house? And sorry, I mean in the house means here, because last time I did this, some Sardar said, "हाँ वो घर पे ही है." That's not what I meant. Like, but मम्मी के बने वो नहीं. So, any Indian mothers? Any mothers here? They have to point you out. Your children have to point you out today. It's Saturday. Shut up. It's ladies' night. Happy Women's Day, by the way. Happy Women's Day. There's a. Only the women are clapping. That was quite fucked up. मैंने हो गया ना, खत्म हो गया क्या? But हर रोज तो happy we are special, we are shit. How old are your children? Do you have children? 4 children, or these? You had one who's 4. You have a girl who's 4. Okay. ये आप ही के हैं? नहीं ऐसे मतलब मैं आधार कार्ड ऑफर नहीं कर रहा हूँ. हाँ मेरे ही हैं, एक साथ ही करेंगे, लाइन में साथ में ही खड़े थे. Yeah, but Indian mothers, I love Indian mothers. Give them a round of applause because Indian mothers are a class apart. मतलब Indian mother होना बहुत बड़ी बात है. For me, like जादू from कोई मिल गया is here. Indian mothers are here. Like mothers can do anything. Indian mothers can say anything. Like I remember I was going out for dinner. My mummy is like, कहाँ जा रहे हो? I said dinner खाने जा रहा हूँ. Like अच्छा कुछ खा के जाना. और मैं रोटी खा भी रहा हूँ. मैं खा क्यों रहा हूँ? I was sitting like this. I'm like, वो यार समझ नहीं यार. Like क्या हुआ? I've got a headache. Like छे, it's all in your head. Mom, क्या कर रहे हो आप? Right, that's how they are. And it's just I've come to this conclusion that in a society we have 2 very beautiful things that we use separately to help us in life. Yeah, one is called sarcasm, and one is called comparison. These 2 things can be used for economy to get better, for people to get better. But Indian mothers have another superpower of putting these 2 things together. Hence, there is something which is called the birth of emotional blackmail. How many children have been emotionally blackmailed here? Give me a cheer. How many mothers have emotionally? Auntie, आपने कभी किया emotionally blackmail? चेहरे देखो इनके क्या कह रहे हैं. Have you emotionally blackmailed your child, 4-year-old? You're waiting, na? So evil. ये हमारी माँ है, not yet. अगले साल बड़ा तो हो, खून के आंसू. But I love him. I love very beautiful. मेरे आंखों का वो है, क्या है? तारा. Right? But it's just that my mother should get an award for emotionally blackmailing, and she takes it to a different level. Right? Like for example, now, so do you drive? Yeah. When did you get your license? Right, 10 years now. And your car around the same time. You know who was the happiest when you got your license in your house? Your mother. Because that day, घर में Uber आया है. Not the app, the person. कहाँ हो? बाहर खड़ा हो. चलो. Like that's how it is. Right? And my mother, I'm telling you, she always wants to get dropped off somewhere. Like I can tell my mother today, Mom, आज मैं बोलूँगा आज की तारीख कि Mom on December 31st. I will be going at 6 o'clock for a party. अभी बता रहा हूँ, इतने महीने का एडवांस दे रहा हूँ कि प्लीज मुझे मोलना मत, ड्रॉप करने को रोकना मत, टोकना मत, प्लीज. On December 31st, 5:59, I am at the door. Suddenly you will hear this voice. बेटा बेटा मुझे थोड़ा ड्रॉप कर देगा बेटा प्लीज थोड़ा सा ड्रॉप कर दे. व्हाट इज थोड़ा ड्रॉप? हमने कहा हो गया. व्हाट इज थोड़ा ड्रॉप? राइट? हमने मम्मी प्लीज है, मैंने आपको 6 महीने पहले बताया था, आई बी इन हरी, प्लीज आप कर लो बेटा प्लीज बेटा, इट्स ऑन द वे बेटा, इट्स ऑन द वे. नाउ फॉर अ इंडियन मदर, इफ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम अंधेरी टू बैंड्रा, कोलाबा इज ऑन द वे. Or she'll make it on the way. So what do we say? मम्मी नहीं यार प्लीज आप देख लो प्लीज, आप जरा टैक्सी कर लो, जो भी करना है टैक्सी कर लो. Now this is where you've turned your back and you'll hear this noise. This noise means नीचे जाओ, केरोसिन लो, गाड़ी जला दो. Because game is on, माता का त्रिशूल निकल चुका है, भाग. Right? And now she takes it to a different level. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. वैसे भी हम बुड्ढे लोग हैं, मैं बाहर जाने की जरूरत क्या है, तो जवान लोगों का काम है. मैं बस कपड़े धो के फोल्ड करके तुम्हारे कबर्ड में रखती रहूंगी, और कहीं जाना है तो मैं खुद चली जाऊंगी नीचे बेटा, डोंट वरी. नंगे पैर जाऊंगी, चप्पल तो टूट गई थी तुम्हें पता है, और रोड पे खड़ी हो जाऊंगी, कोई गाड़ी आएगी मुझे उड़ा देगी. दिखता तो है नहीं बेटा, तुम्हें तो पता ही है. और जब एम्बुलेंस आएगी मैं उनको बता दूंगा कहाँ जाना है बेटा, यू डोंट वरी, यू कैरी ऑन, एंजॉय लाइफ. लेकिन अगर मुझे कुछ हो गया ना, मैंने तुम्हारा फेवरेट हलवा बनाया, वो खा लेना जरूर. क्या लेवल पे दे वर्क. एंड आई एम वेरी कन्विंस्ड माय मदर यूज्ड टू वर्क फॉर DHL. वेरी कन्विंस्ड, स्पेशली बीइंग अ सिंधी. एनी सिंधीज हियर? इट्स ओके, नथिंग टू बी प्राउड ऑफ, रिलैक्स. इट्स नॉट योर फॉल्ट. I am convinced my mother used to work for DHL because no matter where I'm going, she has a parcel ready. Like I can tell my mom, I'm the first Sindhi going to the moon. She will have a parcel ready for some auntie who's already there. Has no teeth but likes Kraft cream cheese only cubes. I don't know why. Right? And it's gotten so bad. I pack my bags outside the house because the minute zipper बंद होता है बैग का, पीछे से बेटा बेटा एक छोटा सा पार्सल है बेटा, छोटा सा पार्सल है, बहुत छोटा पार्सल है बेटा, पार्सल बहुत छोटा, लेके जा बेटा, बहुत छोटा, ऐसे बड़ा होता है पार्सल. मम्मी प्लीज यार प्लीज, वो बैग पैक हो गया प्लीज बेटा, बेटा कैरी ऑन लगेज. अच्छा कितना है, क्या वेट क्या है बेटा? ओनली 2 kgs. मम्मी प्लीज यार 2 kgs आप प्लीज कोरियर कर दो. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई बात नहीं. बेटा वैसे एक बात बताऊं तुझे, जब मैं प्रेग्नेंट थी और जब तू पैदा होने वाला था और यहां था बेटा, यू वर 3.5 kgs. You were my carry-on luggage. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one and do me a favor, don't share it with your mom because फिर आपको घर पे खाना नहीं मिलेगा. But I just want to say a huge thank you to Wow Sindhi Iconic Awards. Thank you so much for giving me the Global Comedian Par Excellence Award, and a special shout out to Shobha Arya ji for putting this together. We're going through rough times, we're going through Corona, we're going through lockdown, and for her to still have the willpower and the dedication to put this together and get the awards delivered. So Shobha Arya, this is for you. Thank you so much. And yeah, make sure whenever you get a chance, be the reason for a smile on someone's face. So once again, thank you so much, Wow Sindhi Iconic Awards, for giving me this one. Things are tough, but you made it better for me. And once again, a big shout out to Shobha Arya. Continue doing this amazing work that you're doing. God bless you. Thank you.